Hi guys, welcome back. I just wanted to show you all the tulips which are blooming in my garden. It's 4th of May today, and as you can see, they are almost in full bloom. I had planted them in bunches of early blooming, early spring, mid spring, and late spring. So, this side actually you can see a few of them, these are the bigger ones which I planted, and then same over here this side as well. Few only, most of them have actually been spent for the season, but then these are also beautiful. These are the ones which are late spring, so they've just started to bloom now. These are the ones which are very big in size. If you can see the size of my hand, they are gorgeous. All of these are the parrot variety, which are again late spring bloomer, which are going to bloom I think in next 15 days or so. So that's all on this side. If you can see all the tulips, these are my absolute favorite ones. They're the multicolor ones. I have them in red. This is little purplish. More over here. These are all from last year I had planted, and these you can see the red ones and yellow ones, and the orange. And this is again the best of the lot. I would say I would try to plant them more this coming year. They are absolutely beautiful. On this side actually I had planted them in a row, on single line. So as you can see, they all have kind of different textures, color combinations. One is purple, one is white. These are again a mixture of two colors. The purple one, yellow, it's kind of light yellow, purple, some more over there, bunch. I'm going to expand that next year. And there you go. These are almost going to be done in a couple of days, so I thought, let me just take a picture of all these before they are gone for the season. And these are the red ones which I planted. I did plant more of these, but I've seen some rabbits coming in my yard lately, so a lot of these have been already eaten by them, the birds. There are a few here. You can see the big ones, the yellow and the red. And this is bloodgood Japanese maple. Planted all various kind of trees. If you can see, there are a lot of logs behind. It was because two of the trees had fallen down last year because of the cyclone, so I just kept them. And this is a Yoshina cherry. It's already, the blooms are spent. And now this is the Kwanzan cherry. It's actually blooming now. So this is absolutely beautiful. And then I have the dogwood as well, the white dogwood. One is in bloom. These are all new trees this year. And this is again the weeping variety of the Yoshina cherry. And here we have the cranberry apple. This is again absolutely beautiful. And then my favorite, this is Emperor Japanese maple. This one, these are all the wildflowers, and these you can see there are another two bloodgood Japanese maples, wildflowers. We have to give them some time, maybe in a month, or not in a month, maybe like 15-20 days, all these will come out. So that looks absolutely beautiful. A couple of more tulips here, and this is the fire-glow Japanese maple. Started to leaf out now in the spring. And coming to this side, this is another maple which is purple rose, and this has absolute beautiful colors. It's leafing out, so I'll take another video to show you what a brilliant piece of art it is. So that's all for today. I'll see you guys later. Till then, enjoy. Take care. Bye.